Hi, I'm a new mom. Basically, I do these kind of drawings, realistic, very cute and colorful. But now these days, I am in a rut and I cannot draw a single thing. So if you wanna see me get back to drawing again, please do watch this video. Okay? Thank you. Continue. Don't go away. Hi, hello. Welcome to Draw with me as a new mom. My name is Nat and you are watching Muznat. If you are new here, subscribe. There is about to be very new stuff over here, and if you are an old one, welcome back. I know it's a surprise, but hey, always on time. Today, the video that I'm making, the drawing that I'm making, is basically me trying to break through back into art again. Being a mom totally changed my whole perspective. Firstly, of life. Secondly, it broke down my drawing habit a lot. I mean, I do want to draw, but I don't have the time to draw, Juggling my house and my baby in between gets quite overwhelming. So here I am trying to break back into my art again. Mostly I do very good drawings, realistic, hyper-realistic, colors, pencil colors, watercolors, whatnot. But this time my main aim is to just draw anything, just draw. So a lot of you might find this drawing very childish, very non-serious. In a way, a drawing kind of a toddler can draw. But this is the truth. I don't have the time to draw. This is all I can do. So enjoy. Today I'm drawing a girl. Whatever I'm drawing, I'm taking it a reference off of Google, because my brain does not has the capacity to work. Okay, I cannot think. My shampoo is my face wash is my shampoo, salt is tea is salt. Don't know anything. So here's a good draw with me. I'll be talking here and there, and if you like this video, please enjoy. Drawing for me has always been my first priority. I mean, it was kind of my ecstasy. I had nothing else to do, no friends, none, just sit and draw. It was kind of a world for me. But ever since I've had my baby, the world shifted. Now the baby is my world, not the art. But I do want to bring it back. I mean, I love art. And if there are any mothers out there that are trying to get back into art again, I totally understand you. I totally get you. It's hard jiggling things here and there. But I'm gonna try. So this video might seem very rough, might seem very not very professional, but I'm just trying to get into it, okay? So please be nice. And if you made it till here, say, oh, it's a baby boy. I'll know that you were till here. If you like my video, please do subscribe. I'll be posting more videos, more stupid stuff. And I hope sooner or later I do get back to my realistic drawings. Let's cross our fingers. Take care. Bye.